Hi guys, I'm back. It's Bella. Did you guys notice anything different? Yes, I changed my hair color. What do you guys think? Comment below what you guys think. I've always loved red. Red is very, very hard to keep though. So I'm going to try my hardest to just keep it as long as I can. But my best friend, her daughter, she did my hair and she is so good. She does cosmetology. I mean, she went to school for cosmetology and she is amazing. Okay, so if you guys didn't know what video I'm doing today for eyeshadow, should this like give you a hint? Because I love Disney, of course. It's the new Colourpop Mulan, baby. I am so excited I got this. So it took like seemed like forever to get this in the mail, and I finally got it, and I am so freaking excited. Sorry about that. I had to calm my little mutts down. Okay, so I got this lip gloss. Oh my god, it's like so pretty. So you could put this on top of another color, so this goes good with anything else. I'm actually wearing it right now, and I'm wearing this red. I love it. So I'm just so excited. So, if you guys are excited like I am to try this on, you better first subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell, because that bell is going to let you guys know when I have a new video. Okay? Okay. Alright, so then you are going to keep watching and comment below what you guys think. Okay? Let's get started.
First color I'm going in is Honor, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and I'm just packing that on all over. I'm going in with the color Brave, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade over where I put the color Honor. This is such a pretty color, so beautiful. Taking the color Honor, and I'm applying that on the lower lash. Now I'm going in with the color Strength, and I'm going to apply that over where I put my transition shade color, and I'm just going all over my lid. And now I'm going in with the fluffy brush, and I'm just buffing all of that color in. I'm taking the color Strength, and I'm adding that on the lower lid of my eye. With my finger, I'm going to apply the color Be Swift. It's like a gold glitter color, and I'm going to apply that half of my eyelid area. And I'm just packing that on with my finger. So now I'm going in with the color Guiding Spirit, and I'm going to put that on the end of my eyelid, just where I put the Bee Spirit, the gold color. And I'm just packing that on, and then, yeah, beautiful. And now I'm just going to buff those two colors together so they blend evenly. Now I'm just finishing my face with a little bit of contouring. Now I'm applying the lips. It is called the color Strong Chi. So pretty. I love this red. Now I'm taking the color Phoenix. It's like a gold pinkish glittery color, so I'm adding that over on top of the red. Such a pretty color.
This is the final look, and I love it. I love it. I love Mulan. Alright, love you guys. Mwah.